What's this one called?
Notredame apparently, isn't it?
Notredame hydroplane.
It's never got wet.
Never got wet. First time.
Until then.
Seems to float okay. Right, here we go. Wow, that sounds good. It's not bitten yet, is it? There he goes.
No.
Okay, you're going to bring it round. Remember, you can only go left, or is it you can only go right?
Anyway, right.
Okay, you're going to open him up then. Oh, careful.
My word, that goes. That's almost full throttle.
Dude, that's fast. That's more than fast enough. That's on the limits of like doing something undesirable.
Yeah, you can see the prop lifted the back up at speed.
Yeah.
Oh.
Full right, full right. Dude, that's really nice.
That is awesome.
Well done. You've got a nice.
Shaking like you can't
You've got a
believe.
nice model there. You might want to just dial that down on your stick, just so it's just like that's perfect, isn't it?
I think probably a 3S battery is probably about right. I'll try a 3S. It's the next one,
Yeah.
is it?
You bringing them in?
I think my hands are shaking. It's really awesome, isn't it? Because the prop holds the front down.
Want to see how fast it's gone?
Eh?